Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, and today's video we are unboxing an Ignik, that's the brand, portable propane fire pit. So here's a little backstory. So if you guys watched our last trip video, the overnight night run, if you guys remember, we didn't have any campfire because Michigan was there was a fire ban throughout the whole state because it was a dry season. So prior to the trip, my wife and I were talking. I said, you know, it'd be cool to have a portable propane fire pit so you can have a fire, and then, you know, it's a contained fire basically. So she looked it up online, and we found this Ignik fire pit, propane fire pit, and then it was on sale. It was 40% off, so I had a really good deal. And again, this is not a sponsor video because I purchased it with my own money. But anyway, so we're gonna unbox this and see what's inside. So let's get to it. Oh, packaging. Oh, that's cool. Packaged this product really well, so it's more cardboard. That's cool. So you can see they packaged really well, like I said. Wow. Oh, wow. So obviously there's a booklet on how to use it, set up. They do come with a gas line or propane line to hook it up to your propane tank. So that's kind of nice. You don't have to purchase it separately. It's right there. And voila, it's looks like it's pretty sturdy product. They have right here. Assume you got to take that out before you turn it on because it's a piece of plastic. They do come with feet, so let's see. Oh, it's pretty sturdy. All right. All right, guys. So obviously I took everything out of the box. If you purchase anything, and especially that has to do with gas and heat, make sure you read the instruction really well because, you know, it's a safety issue and precaution. All right, so I'm gonna hook up my gas line, and I already got my propane, and we're gonna test it out outdoors. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. Puts out a really good heat. You can tell, or you can actually feel it where my hand is. But I haven't figured out if I want to put a lava rock to kind of, you know, create more ambience or more heat. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comment if I need to add on a lava rock, or do I just keep it like this. All right, guys, so that is it from me. First impression, I love it. It's small. I can take it, you know, with me when I go wheeling. The only thing I have to do is just grab maybe a smaller propane tank, maybe a 5-pounder, and then we can still have fire in places that we can't have fire. So yeah, so let me know what you think about the product. If you already have it, you love it, you hate it, you're so and so, but again, my first impression, I'm liking this so far. All right, so if you guys like the video, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you guys on the trail.